If you are promoting other people's product, you are building other people's business. This video reveal how I build a 10,000 plus email promoting ClickBank products and how you can copy this strategy to build your email list too. Because guys, building an email list is in building your own business in affiliate marketing. So if you are first time here guys, do subscribe my channel Affiliate Conversion to learn affiliate marketing and convert your affiliate offer, and check the description guys for easy way to make money online from home. My number one recommendation to make money with a automated system in affiliate marketing, which helped me to make money in automated system. With that said, let's dive in. So here guys, you can see this is few of my lists guys of whenever I promote any product from ClickBank or any marketplace guys, I collect the email. For example guys, I was promoting manifestation magic, and here you can see this, I collected 16,000 emails here, as well as guys Ted's woodworking, I collected few of the emails, right? This is completely coming from free traffic guys, one of my Facebook page. I already made a video on this, okay? That may be my first video, I think so, in this channel. Okay, so this is another product, right? I was promoting and I was collecting the emails on this. Okay, and this is again right, some of the courses which I was promoting here. I was collecting the emails from a long time, and here you can see this guy John Cristani's product, and which I was promoting from right just January and 2019, and here you can see this, I collected few of the emails. Okay, and Commission Hero, as well as guys 12 minute affiliate system. This is extremely coming from Facebook ad, right? 10,376 right email which I showed you, as well as it's also I'm running with YouTube ads, and where I just collected few of the emails only. So guys, email collections is really important. Here you can see this is 12 minute affiliate system. Okay, and which I made right $2,000 and $1,700 plus right upsells. Just sell the product, you can make a commission, and also you can build the list. To collect the email list like this guys, what I was using is called right Get Response. This is really very important software for any affiliate marketer or online marketer. It will help you to create a landing page guys, and email marketing, automation, lot of things which you can do here. And the link of this software is given in the description guys, and one of the best part is it is 30 days free guys. You can use with all these features guys, you can try for 30 days and later it is just $15 guys. With this you can create a lot more things. So this is a must needed software for any affiliate marketer. So the link is given in the description guys. So now guys, how you gonna start creating this kinds of a list? So let me share you step by step. There are only two simple steps guys in this method. So the number one step is guys, you have to decide in which category or niche you want to collect the emails. This is really important. I have seen that people are making videos in YouTube guys where they're promoting sometime one particular niche offer and they're jumping to another offer in different niches just by seeing the gravity or maybe the product is new. I will recommend you to stick to one niche guys, even if you're not collecting the emails. But if you're collecting the emails guys, it's really important to stick to one niche so that you can collect the email. Here you can see this, there are a lot of different categories are there guys. You have to decide which categories. For me guys, it is like e-business or e-marketing, and under this also guys, you have to stick to one niche in the beginning, and then later you can also go and expand. For example, right now I am targeting affiliate marketing. I'm also targeting like email marketing and video marketing here, okay, as well as social media marketing. But I have a different niche, but I stick to one big niche guys, that is e-business and e-marketing only. Then only you can have a proper email list guys, because it's not about only collecting the email list guys. You have to later send them emails, right, so that you can build a relationship with them and you can provide them value. So this is the email sequence. Okay, it's going one in every day, then I offer them the product. And the number two step is guys, you have to select the offer, but you have to select those offer from this niche guys which is offering a lead magnet. So what is a lead magnet here guys? A lead magnet is an incentive guys that marketers are offered to potential buyer in exchange of their email address, and it's a kind of a incentive guys in the form of PDF, right, checklists, reports and ebooks, right, white paper, videos, case studies. By the way, video works awesome guys if you're offering videos as a lead magnet. Now guys, what you have to do is, guys, you have to look for those offer. And if you want to know more about lead magnet, guys, I already have a video. You can watch that video, guys. Right now the link is popping up in the window, guys. In that, guys, I have described more what kinds of lead magnet works very well. So now, guys, we are into the marketplace, and here you can see one of the offer commission hero. And if you go to their affiliate page, you will find they are promoting, they are offering webinars and training, as well as, guys, John Castani's right here already it is given like auto webinar. So this converts really awesome. So now, guys, in this page of 12-minute affiliate, here you can see this. If you go down here in the bottom, guys, they are offering these webinars, and look at this. From here only you can get the affiliate link. And here you can see this, right, pizza system sales videos works awesome. You can send them to the video also, promoting in a landing page that I'm going to show you in a second. And then, guys, here you can see this, right, this is another sales video, and this is their auto webinar. Okay, this is what I promote. Okay, and I collect my 10,000 plus emails. Okay, webinar replay, you also have this one, and this one is what right now I am promoting. Okay, targeting affiliate marketing and the affiliate marketers of ClickBank, JVZoo and Warrior Plus. So what I'm doing is, guys, I'm just creating a simple landing page. Here you can see this is my landing page, and here once if they put their emails and if they click like watch the training now, they will be landed here. And here you can see this, guys, this is like I want to show you the #1 easiest way to pocket daily affiliate commission. So this is a training available, free on-demand training. Okay, and if they click here, guys, they will be redirected to the training. Okay, so this is how I collected by creating a simple landing page offering them trainings and webinar. Okay, trainings and webinar is one of the best lead magnet ever in my experience, guys. Simple landing page with the earning disclaimers, right? ClickBank disclaimer. This is really important if you're promoting with the Facebook ad or Google ads. Okay, so this is how it's going to work, guys, promoting webinars and training, right? This is John Crestani's offer, and here they're also promoting the same way. You're going to get all these, right, ads, creatives right here. And if you go bottom here, guys, here you can see this. Look at this, how to promote. Here you can see this, the #1 option they are giving is live webinar. And one of the best thing, guys, why webinars and trainings convert very well, guys, you are unknown, right? You might be doesn't have that much of experience like 6-figure marketer, 7-figure marketers like Devin Brown or John Crestani, but they know those persuasion technique. So when you're going to send them to the webinars or trainings like this, guys, they know how to persuade people to convert into the sales. Okay, so your work is done. Okay, that's why webinars and trainings work very well. And when you do this, guys, when you send them to their webinars and training, they are collecting the emails, they are building the business. And on the same time, when you collect the emails, you will build your own business. Not only you're going to make a sale, you will also build your own business. Okay, whatever the traffic source, guys, here I'm not talking about the traffic source. For me, it's a Facebook ad, YouTube ads. You can try any traffic source like paid traffic or free traffic also. Okay, so all these things it is given here. Look at this webinar timing. If you go down, look at this JV promotion case study. This is for right, if you want to create a review videos and all those things. And if you go more down, look at this, all the trainings times and all those things they have given. Free traffic method. Okay, you can do this. Okay, all the Facebook ad and all the creatives they're already giving you. One of the best offer in ClickBank from a long time, guys. So just it is very simple, guys. You have to get into the marketplace, pick those offers which is giving you the lead magnets like webinars and training especially, and then, guys, create a landing page like this and send them to the webinars and training. That's way you're gonna build your huge list. That's how, guys, I created the email list. So hope you like this method, guys. If you like this method, give the thumbs up in this, guys, thumbs up to this video, because if you like this video, my video will be boosted more. Anything you want to know more about this strategy, you can comment me there, and do subscribe my channel for affiliate marketing. And you can watch this video, guys, right now, which is showing in your window, guys, which will teach you how to start affiliate marketing, just creating videos. And hope you're gonna like it. Thank you.